Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're looking at a camera that has been one of the biggest entry points into DSLR photography for years, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 with the 18 to 55mm kit lens. If you've ever wanted to step up from your phone camera and get real DSLR image quality without spending a fortune, this is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to do it. The Rebel T7 comes with a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, and even though it's a budget body, it delivers crisp, sharp images with good color accuracy straight out of the camera. Canon's color science is famous, and this model continues that trend with warm, natural tones that make portraits, landscapes, and even basic indoor shots look more professional. The included 18 to 55mm lens is a flexible starter lens, giving you the ability to shoot wide for groups and landscapes or zoom in a bit for portraits. The autofocus system is simple but reliable, especially in bright daylight. For anyone starting YouTube or simple product videos, the full HD 1080p recording at 30 frames per second is more than enough to get going. Built-in Wi-Fi makes it extremely easy to transfer photos from the camera straight to your phone, which is huge if you want to post to social media quickly. The grip is comfortable, the buttons are clearly laid out, and Canon designed this camera so complete beginners can pick it up and start shooting within minutes. This isn't meant to compete with high-end mirrorless bodies, but for students, travelers, creators on a budget, and anyone wanting a real DSLR experience, the T7 is one of the most dependable starter cameras you can buy. If you're thinking about getting your first camera, this one deserves to be on your list. Check the link below to buy it on Amazon, and if you enjoy these reviews, make sure to subscribe for more daily uploads.